Ever since the Silicon Valley Bank and Credit Suisse banking crises, markets have been worried about contagion fears that other banks will show signs of strain too. And the question now is this: will the Federal Reserve change their policy path in light of the recent banking sector strains? Furthermore, even if they do alter the path of US rates, will that be enough to send stocks higher? Here's the Nasdaq 100. You can see it's just moved up from this sort of short-term trend line, and it's looking like it wants to test this trend line to the upside as speculation is rising that the Federal Reserve might announce the pause of interest rates on Wednesday. Now, one very interesting dynamic to be aware of is that the Nasdaq 100 tends to gain into a Federal Reserve meeting. Over the last 296 events spanning nearly 40 years, the Nasdaq 100 has tended to rise on the day and the day before the Federal Reserve meet. So with this in line, would it be reasonable to expect further gains in the Nasdaq 100 ahead of the Federal Reserve's meeting on Wednesday? Now, the major trade risk here, of course, that there's further banking troubles emerge, and that would likely pressure the Nasdaq lower. Remember, don't just trade it, but seize an exit.